GitHub just hit 4.3 million AI repositories. That's like a 178% jump in a single year. Here's what nobody tells you while everyone is using the same three tools. Hundreds of powerful, completely free open source AI repositories are dominating 2026. Today I'm breaking down the top 11 AI GitHub repository you need to know, ranked by star, momentum, and real world impact. Stay until the end of this video. One of these repository owner or creator just got hired by OpenAI. Let's start with some numbers. 4.3 million new AI repositories added to GitHub in 2025 alone. 178% year-over-year increase in LLM focused projects. And we are going to cover the 11 of the best, all open source, all free. Here is what we are going to cover. 3 categories. The first one is about local AI. Run powerful model right on your machine. No APIs key required. The second one is like workflow builders. Drag and drop AI automation anyone can use. The third one is about dev tools, AI that writes, refactor, and ship code. Let's start with the local AI revolution. Ollama is the easiest way to run language model completely offline. Llama, Mistral, Gamma, DeepSeek, one command they are running locally. No API keys, no data leaving your machine. WebUI has like 120,000 GitHub stars, over 282 million downloads. It's your private ChatGPT replacement, fully self-hosted with voice calls, RAG pipeline, and a community marketplace for prompt and tools. OpenClaw cross like 210,000 stars. It's an AI agent running entirely on your device, connecting to like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, and 50 other services. Its creator, Peter Steinberg, just announced he's joining OpenAI, and the project is going open source foundation. The next category is visual AI builders. These let you design AI workflows without writing hundreds of lines of glue code. N10 is an open source workflow automation with 400 plus integration. Things like Zapier, but self-hosted. AI native and fully customizable with LangChain support built in. Langflow brings LangChain into drag and drop interface, build RAG pipeline, design multi-agent conversation, and export them as APIs, all visually. Dify is like a production-ready choice, the TypeScript based with a visual workflow builder, built-in RAG pipeline management, and model context protocol support out of the box. All 3 of them are self-hostable and free. Now, if you look at the frameworks powering this serious agent development, you have LangChain is still the foundation. Chains, agents, memory, retrieval. It's the standard library for Python AI development. Major backing from Anthropic, OpenAI, and Google. LangGraph, it's a companion. LangGraph adds stateful looping agents, workflows that can cycle back, retry, and make decisions. This is where real multi-agent systems live. On the other side, the RAGFlow specializes in enterprise-grade retrieval augment generation, 70K stars, end-to-end document ingestion, vector indexing, citation tracking, multi-step reasoning, and not just search, agents that can find and reason. LangChain for building agents from scratch, RAGFlow when you need enterprise-ready document intelligence. The last category is the tools living in your terminal, the model powering all of them. DeepSeek, V3 shocked everyone. Mixture of experts, architecture, 128K context volume, benchmark result, rivaling GPT-4 and free for commercial use. Run it right now via Ollama. Claude Code is Anthropic's agentic code tool. It runs from your terminal with full code base context, refactoring, test generation, Git automation, all in natural language. Google's Gemini CLI bridge multimodal AI straight to your command line. One npx command, Code Assistant, Google Cloud integration embeds directly into your CI/CD pipeline. Before the takeaway, 4 trends that explain why these repos are winning. The first one is the local AI is winning because privacy concern, API cost reduction, and deep customization are driving developers off the cloud. AI went from response to act, so every repo here involves agents taking autonomous actions and not just answering questions. Open models close the gap. DeepSeek V3 proved you don't need to pay like a $20 per month API to get frontier level performance. The visual AI building is like a new standard. Langflow, Dify, and NA10 proves like drag and drop isn't just for non-coders anymore. 3 things to take from this tutorial. Like if you want to run local AI, start with Ollama plus OpenWebUI. If you want to build agents visually, try Dify or Langflow. If you want open model power, grab DeepSeek V3 through Ollama today. Which one of these 11 repositories are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comment. I want to know what the community is building. And I have all these repositories linked into my video description. You can just go and get these repositories. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and I cover more videos, and I see you in the next one.